Well, I have a lot of files here and I need to save each one individually. There is a fast way to do this. We need to install batch saving add-ons from install from disk and install. Well, our add-ons installed, and look at this here in the right menu. You can see a new tab, MK Batch Saving. In the first section, specify your save path, like this one. I create a new folder and pick up the address and write the path here. Also, in the second section, you can define the file name, like, for example, mk low poly. I've included two toggle buttons here. One allows you to decide whether to reset the object to the word origin 000 before saving, and the other gives you the option to delete the object after the save is complete. Now let's do a test run with the current setting. As you can see, all selected model, and look at this here. All selected models are saved individually. Now I will take the setting and run it again with the new setting. Again, you can see every model is saved one by one. Also, with the new setting, and put it the all model reset to the word origin 000. Look at this. It's good very well. And that's it.